Remove the 4 bolts holding the tunnel brace on. Remove the 3 screws holding on the splash shield that covers up the middle of the rear brace bolts. Remove the 3 bolts holding the driver's side rear chassis brace on. The next step is going to be to remove the exhaust. Every exhaust is going to be a little bit different if they're custom like this one. But basically we're just going to remove the hangers in the back, and then we're going to disconnect it at the downpipes. Remove the 10 fasteners holding on the heat shield. Now that we have access to the carrier, we have to remove the carrier from the OEM bearing. To do this, we're going to cut the 2 legs off first, and then we're going to spin it upside down, make 2 more cuts. Then we'll cut away the rubber material around it and pull the carrier off. Once the carrier is off, we're going to use a razor blade to cut away the center rib that was attaching the bearing to the carrier. We're going to leave the base layer of rubber intact. Now we're going to install the new carrier. Take the top half, text going forward, place it up over the bearing, then bring the bottom half up and use an Allen wrench to secure the 2 together. Alternate back and forth to make sure the bolts don't bind while you're tightening it up. Take your bolt with the fender washer, put an isolation damper facing up, go up through the carrier, bring another isolation damper down from the top, and then place your small washer on the very top, and go up into the body of the car. Same thing on the other side, bolt with the fender washer, isolation damper facing up, and go up through the carrier, another isolation damper coming down from the top, small washer on the very top, up into the body.